Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you chapter 7 from the window. It is a continuity of Omana's journey. On 17th May, the train stopped early in the morning at Medgaon. Medgaon is in the state of Goa. Omana's family got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled their water bottles. The train started again. The scene was very beautiful outside. It was green everywhere, fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. The train passed a level crossing. Children, you know what is level crossing? Is where a railway and a road or two railway lines cross at the same level. People were waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. There were buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tongas and bullock carts. There were so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing because people do not switch off the engine of their vehicles even while waiting at the level crossing. Following steps can be taken to reduce noise of the vehicles and save petrol and diesel. Number 1. Switch off the engine while waiting at level crossing. Number 2. Service the vehicles regularly. Number 3. Carpooling. Number 4. Using more public transport. Number 5. Use bicycles for short distance. It is very dangerous to cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. When the train arrives, frequently accidents happen. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changes. Khud, khud, khud. As it was crossing the bridge, it sounded very different. The wheels rattled as there was no ground, only the track and the water down below. Omana felt scary when she first looked down. There were two types of bridges. Number 1, iron bridge on which her train was moving, and other one was cement bridge for buses and cars. Iron bridge was more adventurous. Why are bridges made? Bridges help people and vehicles to cross from one side of a river or road to the other side. They help to reduce traffic congestion. After breakfast, Omana climbed on to the upper berth to read comics. It was bright and sunny outside. Suddenly, everything became dark. Somebody said they have entered a tunnel. The train had crossed the tunnel. Appa explained that they were on the other side of the mountain. Since then, they have passed through 4 smaller tunnels. The route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 200 bridges and 92 tunnels. At afternoon, Omana's family bought idli vada and some bananas at Udupi station. People were wearing white or cream colored dhotis or saris. Many people who were with them from Ahmedabad have got off. The scene outside has changed again. There were many coconut trees, green fields, and paddy fields everywhere. Paddy means rice crop. Children, now I am going to tell you about the uses of coconut trees. Coconut tree grows in coastal areas. It grows up to 30 meter tall. Its fruit contains water which is very nutritious. Its fruits are used in many food dishes and religious ceremonies. Parts of tree has many commercial uses. Sunil's family was getting off at Kozhikode. At night, Amana's family reached at Kottayam. Valyama house means Mosi house in Malayalam language. By next day, they had reached at Amuma's house. Amuma's means Nani house in Malayalam language. It was a very long journey and had a lot of fun. Thank you, children.